अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. शून्यवाद. We'll read 75 page 131. Topic. अपरो बौद्धः असदेवेदमग्र आसीत् इत्यादि श्रुतेः सुषुप्तौ सर्वाभावादहम् सुषुप्तौ नासमित्युत्थितस्य सुषुप्तौ नासमित्युत्थितस्य स्वाभावपरामर्श विषयानुभवाच्च शून्यमात्मेति वदति. Author Sadananda talking about the superimposition. There are two types of superimposition. One is Samanya Adhyaropa. Adhyaropa is called superimposition. Samanya Adhyaropa means a general superimposition on the external world, prapancham. Superimposition of the world upon Brahman is called Samanya Adhyaropa, in the form of 5 elements, subtle elements, gross elements, all come under Samanya Adhyaropa. Vishesha Adhyaropa means a specific, individual superimposition, the body mind complex upon that Brahman. This is called Vishesha Adhyaropa, specific superimposition. In these specific superimpositions, author has mentioned so many other systems of philosophies like Charvakas and Buddhists, Prabhakaramatam, Bhattamatam, Purvamimamsakas, 2 varieties. And now he has entered, the last class we saw, that Sunyavadin. Who is that Sunyavadin? Sunyavadi is one, nothing is there before the creation. Nothing was there before the creation. He also quotes from the Upanishad. What he quotes, na aparaha bauddhaha, then aparaha means other system of philosophy. They are called as Bauddhaha, one branch of Buddhism. What he says, asad eva idam agra asid. Jagat srishti purvam, nothing was there. Asat. Asadeva asit means was there, past tense. Asat means nothingness. There is nothing before the creation. How we have translated here, asat means avyakritam. Asadeva asit means avyakritam asit. We have translated. Vedantins, Advaitins, we have translated this. Asat means world was there in unmanifest form. Avyakrita rupena asit. That was our translation. Now, Asat he has taken as nothing. From nothing, something, how can it come? From nothing, something cannot come. What is the Shruti Pramanam he gives and Yukti he gives? The logic that he gives is Sushuptau Sarva Abhavat. In deep sleep, Sushuptau means in deep sleep. Sarva Abhavat. Abhava means absence. Sarva means a total. Since in deep sleep there is a total absence, this is the yukti he gives, logic. Aham sushuptau na asam. I was not there in sushupti. There is zero. That is the proof. This is my anubhava. There is shunyam in deep sleep. Nothing is there. Na asam. I was not there in deep sleep because I don't know about myself. I don't know. Na asam. Iti uthitasya. When you say that I was not there in sleep, uthitasya. After waking up. After waking up, you say I was not there in sleep. I was totally absent because I don't know anything. Swabhava Paramarshana. After waking up, Paramarsha means smruti. I remember, I recollect. What? My Swabhava. Non-absence is my Swabhava. Swabhava Paramarshana. Vishaya Anubhavaha. So that Vishaya Anubhava is not there for me in my deep sleep. This is his own Anubhava. There is fully absence in my sleep. When not ordinary sleep, deep sleep. Deep sleep, I do not know anything. Because of that, no experience has taken place. Therefore, I do not know anything. After waking up, I say, I was not there in deep sleep. I was non-existent. Therefore, what? Shunyam. There is a state called Shunyam. Nothing is there. So therefore, what is that? Finally, his conclusion, Shunyam was there before creation. Now this Big Bang, they are struggling, no? How this creation has come, no? How the human beings have come, how this universe has come, what is the source. Now they are struggling to find out. Whatever they struggle, whole thing is matter. Matter only, no? Atoms, protons, particles, molecules. But finally, physicists say, human being is nothing but particle. Particles. You are what? Particles. Human being is a particle. That's true. Because he looks at that whole body matter. That is true. Therefore, you are particles. There is conclusion. They are never able to find out what is Atma. Only Shastra Pramanam to know the Atma. There is no way. Next, so therefore Shunyam Atma iti vadati. So what is the nature of Atma? Shunyam. Shunyam means void and Shunva. V-O-I-D. Void. Means Shunyam. Black hole and children, black hole, blankness. Now, author is going to present that nature of the true nature of Atma. All these people he is going to negate. All of them wrong. I am going to present the Shruti, how Shruti talks about Atma. It is not Shunyam, not Dehatma, not pranatma. Prana is not atma. That's what he is going to say. Now we'll read that topic 132. Etesham putradinam anatmatvamuchyate. Etesham putradinam. So from putra onwards, first person who started this problem, putra is atma, that is the talk. One misconception. Then later they have prana, mana, vijnana, ananda, all came. So that putra adinam, adipadat, you have to, all the systems of philosophies you have to include. Adipadat, putra adinam, atmatvam, anatmatvam, not atma. Anatma means not atma. Anatmatvam uchyate. He is going to present all of them come under not atma. They are called anatma. Atma means real, that which is existent principle. Apnoti iti atma, that which pervades. What they are talking is nothing but anatma. Deha is anatma, prana is anatma, manas is anatma, putra is anatma. All of them come under anatma. 133. Etairati prakrutadivaadhivihi ukteshu shruti yuktyanubhava bhaseshu purvokta shruti yuktyanubhava bhasanam uttarottaram shruti yuktyanubhava bhasanam uttarottara shruti yuktyanubhava bhasaihi atmatva badha darshanat putradinam badha darshanat putradina anatmatvam spashtameva etaihi ati prakrutadivaadhivihi ukteshu. Ati prakritamana uncultured people in artham, not well refined intellect people. Samskrita means a refined minded person in artham. Prakrita means what? Unrefined intellect in artham. Not ordinary. Ati prakrita. Very, very fallacious, false opinion they are presenting. Ati prakrita vadibihi. They argue. Vadibhihina, they argue their opinion, their view is right. How much right? Perfectly right. The Ati Prativada Bhayankara, no Prativadi Bhayankara. So the people they argue Prakrita Vadibhihi Ukteshu, their contention, their opinion. How? Shruti yukti anubhava bhaseshu. Even though they are appearing, bhaseshu means even though they are presenting Shruti quotations, yukti logically they are presenting, and anubhava, their own anubhava experience also they are presenting. But he says, author says, purvokta Shruti yukti anubhava abhasanam uttarottara shrutiyukyanubhava bhasaihi atmatvam badha darshanat. Very pretty sentence. Purvokta means Dehatmavadi before Putratmavadi said. That is Purvokta. Dehatmavadi is Uttarokta. So prior one later one, posterior one. So Putratmavadi becomes a prior one, Dehatmavadi becomes posterior one, later one, previous and later. So once Dehatmavadi comes, Dehatmavadi negates Putratmavadi. Dehatmavadi is going to be negated by Pranatmavadi. Going to be negated. Pranatmavadi negates Dehatmavadi. So Dehatmavadi becomes Purvokta, Pranatmavadi becomes Uttarokta. Then Mana Atmavadi comes, no, Prana is not Atma. He negates Pranatma and he says Mana eva Atma. Mana Atmavadi. Then Vijnana Atmavadi comes, no, Manas is not Atma. So Purvokta Manas he negates, and what he says, Vijnanam eva Atma, Uttarokta. So each philosopher negates that previous philosopher. So you need not negate. They themselves negate each other. We have to negate only last one. So one Charvaka negates other Charvaka. Even Bhattamatam, Prabhakaramatam. Prabhakaramatam is negated by Bhattamatam. Bhattamatam is negated by Shunyavadi. So all of them negate each other. No? One negate each other. That's what he says here. Purvokta Shruti Yukti Anubhava Bhasanam. They have presented their Shruti Yukti Anubhava, all of them. Uttaroktara Shruti Yukti Anubhava. The later one also presented the Shruti Yukti Anubhava. So this person negates that person. Like a new hit song comes and hit the old song. A person who gets that gold medal in Olympics from long time, many years he is getting. No? 700 gold medals he is getting. Manaku 3 gold medals ki kashtapadrom. No? How many gold medals? And next Olympic Games, suppose any person get 702 gold medals, this person will lose that title. Maybe long time he may be possessing that title, but one day or other it will be hit by other person. Like this, the systems of philosophies are all hit by each other system of philosophy. Because all are fallacious, they cannot withstand. Uttarottara Shruti Yukti Anubhava Bhasaihi Atmatvam Badha Darshanat. Their presentation of Atma, Mana Atma, Dehatma, Pranatma, Atmatvam Badha Darshanat means negated. Badha Darshanat means, Darshana means what? Shown. Each philosopher negated that previous system of philosophy he has shown by his Shruti Yukti Anubhava. Atmatva Darshanat. Badha Darshanat. Therefore, Putradinam Anatmatvam Spashtameva. Spashtameva means it's very clear. What? Putradinam, Putratmavadi, Dehatmavadi, Pranatmavadi, Manatmavadi, all of them are what? Anatmatvam. They are not Atma, they are only Anatma. They are negated. Clearly. So Shunyavadi negated all, not all, previous one. That previous one negated the previous one. That previous one negated the previous one. Therefore, finally in Mandukya Upanishad, Gaudapadacharya comes and asks, why I have to negate this Shunyavadi? Shunyavadi need not be negated because he is Shunyam. Shunyavadi need not be negated because he is non-existent, no? A non-existent system of philosophy, why I have to negate? That's why it is insult for me, Gaudapada says. Shankaracharya's Paramaguru. Shankaracharya's Guru, Govindapada. Govindapada's Guru, Gaudapada. Na? Great Guru. Na? So that Gaudapadacharya says, why I have to waste my time for this non-existent system of philosophy? Next topic we will read. What is the nature of Atma now? Acharya, this author presents. What are all they are talking, it's not Atma. I will give that. What is that? Kinchem Pratyak Asthulaham Achakshuhum Apranaham Amanaham Akartam Chaitanyam Chinmatram Sat Ityadi Prabala Shruti Virodhat Ityadi Prabala Shruti Virodhat Asya Putradi Shunya Paryamtasya Jadasya Chaitanya Bhasyatvena Ghatadivat Anityatvat Aham Brahmeti Vidvadanubhava Prabalyacha Tachruti Yukti Anubhava Bhasanam Vadhitatvadapi Putradi Shunya Paryanta Makhila Manatmaiva Kinchan. Moreover, what is the nature of Atman? First feature of Atma is Pratyak, most interior one anartha. So author himself presented, given that in footnote, all the Upanishads. First one, Pratyak, means the most interior Atman. That is from the Kathopanishad. Kaschid dhiraha pratyagatmanam aikshat avritta chakshur amrutatvam icchan. So, the wise people, dhiraha means here, viveki, discriminate people only recognize this Atma, which is available innermost, one's own, Yoveda nihitam guhayam. That is called Pratyak. Pratyagatma. This is from Kathopanishad. Now, Asthulaha. This is from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Asthula mananu ahrasva maditham alohidam. So, the big mantra, it is about Atma. Number 2, Asthulaha. It is not Sthulam. It is not Sthulam and it is not gross, it is not big. Then it is an atom, Anu. No, Ananu. The mantra goes like that. Then Achakshuhu. Asthulam, it is not big. It is not gross. It is subtle. It is not gross. Achakshuhu means it cannot see. Achakshu, it has no eyes. Atma is that free from eyes. Achakshuhu. For that he gives the Mundakopanishad. Achakshus Shrotram Tadapani Padam. Atma is that no eyes, no nose, no legs, no hands, nothing. Atma is not having anything. Because the Dehatmavadi is talking, no, Deha has got Atma. This is having hands, no? Atma is not having eyes. How can Deha become Atma? Atma is Achakshuhu. Ashrotram, not having ears. Then Apranaha Amanaha. This is also from Mundakopanishad only. Aprano hyamana shubhraha. Mundakopanishad. Apranaha means not pranatma. Prana is not atma. Atma is prana-less. Free from prana. Then amanaha. It is not mana atma also because prana atma is mindless. Atma is mindless. Kenopanishad. No? Manas. So, in manasana manutena. You cannot know this atma through the mind. In manasana manutena. Manaha. Akarta. This akarta, these are all from Shvetashvatara Upanishad. Anantaschatma Vishwarupo Akarta. Atma is not a doer. Akarta. Chaitanyam Chinmatram. It is a sentient principle. Chaitanyam. Chinmatram. It is effulgent consciousness principle. Chit plus matram, chin matram. Chin matram, sat, when it is so, sat, ityadi pravala shruti virodhadatsya. Whatever they have said, all those are all against to shruti. Pravala virodham. It is a Himalayan blunder. Ada Prabhala Virodhachan. Against to the Shruti statements, how they can say Prabhala Shruti Virodhat Asya Putradi Shunya Paryantam. From Putratma onwards up to Shunyatma Vadi. All of them Jadasya Chaitanya Bhasyatvena. They are all Jadam. Deha is matter. Jadam inert. Jadam means inert. Body is inert. Prana is inert. And mind is inert. Intellect is inert. What is not inert? Atma. Chaitanya Bhasyatvena. On the other hand, they are all illumined by, activated by, became sentient by Chaitanyam, this consciousness. Chaitanya Bhasyatvena, illumined by. Body is active because of consciousness. Prana is active because of consciousness. Mind is active because of consciousness. And intellect is active because of consciousness. Without consciousness, they are all matter, inert. Chaitanya Bhasyatvena. Just like Ghatadivat Anityatvad. They are all like pot. They are temporary. Anityam. Body is Anityam. Prana is Anityam. Mind is also Anityam. Anityam means temporary. Not permanent. Not eternal. Anityatvat. Like ghatan, like pot, like our pot. Our pot is permanent or temporary? So, this is a pot. Matti kunda nu solluva Telugulo. This is a pot made up of clay. What clay? Of course, refined clay. This is made up of clay, refined clay. Mind is also made up of clay, refined clay. Okay. So, Ghatadivat Anityatvat. Then who am I? Aham Brahma iti. Aham Brahma iti. Aham Atma. Deha is not Atma. Mano buddhya hankara chittani naham. Nacha shrotra jimhi nacha ghrana netri. Nacha vyoma bhumir na tejo na vayuh. Who am I? Siddhananda rupa shivoham shivoham. So aham Brahma iti. Aham prana atmana, mana atmana, deha atmana. Then who am I? Brahma. aham Brahma asmi iti vidvad anubhava. These are not my words, author says. These are the declarations done by great wise people, vidvat, wise people, anubhavaha, their own experience this is. Vidvad anubhava, pravalyacha, it is very popularly known, well known from intelligent people, wise people. That's why there are many jnanis in our country. You do not know who is jnani. To know who is jnani, you have to be a jnani. You are jnaniya illiya, how to know? No way. Because there is no aura behind. There is no aura behind. You cannot call every sannyasi is a jnani. But every jnani is a real sannyasi. Every sannyasi need not be a jnani, but every jnani is a real sannyasi. So he need not have dadi. No. Beard is not necessary. Therefore, what makes a person a jnani? Inner disposition, mind, what he thinks, that understanding, that cognition, that notion, right perception about oneself. Therefore, he is the only intelligent person in the world. All are so intelligent. Okay. Most intelligent person is the jnani. Even intelligent and kuda sollakudadu. We are not supposed to say. That's why we have no access to recognize jnani. Paambu kaalu paambuku da theriyum. The snake legs can be known to the snake only, not for anybody. That's why jnani can be known to another jnani, not anyone. Therefore, never try to find out who is jnani. Okay. Instead of finding out who is jnani, you become jnani. Okay. People are very much interested in knowing your jnanam irukka illiya, our jnanam irukka illiya. Therefore, vidvad anubhavat pravalyacha tat shruti yukti anubhava bhasana. It is their experience by shruti. Whatever shruti says, they exactly see the tatparyam. Paramartha darshi in artham. They see exactly shruti yukti anubhava dvara bhasana bhaditatvad putradi shunya paryantam. All these philosophy systems are bhaditatvad. They are all negated by that jnani's vision. These are all wrong. Brahma alone is satyam. Brahmaveva asit. Beginning, not shunyam. Brahman was there. Brahman is there. Brahman ever will be. That is satya vastu. Satyam is that. What is satyam? Not speaking truth. Trikala abadhyam yat asti tatu satyam. All the 3 periods of time you cannot negate it. All the 3 periods of time. 3 periods in past tense, present tense, future tense. Brahman was there, Brahman is here, Brahman ever will be. That means consciousness or Atma is ever existent principle Satyam. That's Satyam. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Satyam. Therefore Upanishad says, learn to speak truth first. Satyameva jagate na anrutam. First learn to speak truth, relative truth, then you will get that absolute truth. Follow the value of truth, you will get that absolute truth. Trikala abadhyam sat, that is satyam. Therefore, all of them, putradi, shunya paryantam, until this last system of philosophy, akhilam, totally, Anatma eva. They are all anatma. Atma is trikala abadhyam. 3 periods of time it cannot be negated. Anatma, it can be negatable. Even really speaking, there is no anatma. There is no anatma. First, what do we do? Initial stages, I am jiva, I am struggling, the world is giving problems to me, God is there protecting me. For some time. This is a drama, okay? Whole thing is a drama. Going on long time. Then, after studying Shastra, slowly the student, nothing is there, only Atma, Anatma. Atma, Anatma. Then, Upanishad says, where is Anatma? Where is Anatma? There is no Anatma at all. That's why mind-boggling. No? Each statement of Upanishad very difficult to swallow. Unassimilable. Indigestion da varum. Ellarkume, all people get indigestion, wrong digestion, over digestion. Enna? Intellect is not ready. Mind is not ready to grasp. That's why whole world, what Shankaracharya says, Brahma, Bhranti Lokam, he says, the entire universe is mad. Shankaracharya says, how bold he is. How bold? That means how powerful his intelligence, no? Ingenious person, Shankaracharya. Whole world is mad because all are ignorance, no? They all are in ignorant world. That's why Brahma, confusion, delusion. Looking at this body, mind complex as himself. Is it not Brahma? Whoever sees like that, he is in Bhranti. He is taking brandy. That's brandy, Bhranti lo nidada vandade. All people are in Bhranti. Very, very difficult. What an intelligent person. Next topic we will read. Topic number 135. Ataha tattad bhasakam nitya shuddha buddha mukta satya svabhavam pratyak chaitanyam eva atma vastu iti vedanta vidvadanubhavaha. So now he says ataha means therefore. Therefore means wherefore. Since Atma is achakshuhu, ashrotram, apanihi, apranaha, apamanaha. Not only that, they are all neti. In a negative way it has presented. Now he is presenting in a positive way. That is, Atma is not this, not this, not this. Means not prana, not deha, not manas, not buddhi, he said. Now Atma is this he is presenting. What is that? Ataha tat bhasakam. Tat means that bhasaka means illuminator. Illuminator of that. What? Illuminator of that mind, illuminator of that body, illuminator of that prana, illuminator of that vijnanamaya kosha, illuminator of ananda also. Your ananda, what you are experiencing is not a original ananda, it is anubhavananda. Rasagulla ananda, anubhavananda. Serial ananda is anubhavananda, not original ananda. That's why ayaram, gayaram ananda. This ananda comes and goes. Whereas this atmananda will not come and go. Why? Trikala abadhyam. Taittiriya Upanishad gives the definition of Atma. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Anantam means Anandam. Ananda Swarupam. That's why Anandameva Swarupam Yasya. It's nature. Ananda Swarupam. First he says, Abhabhasaka means what? Illuminator of all this Jada Padartha. Jada Padartha means what? Ange paka kodadu. This body, illuminator of this body. What about mind? Mind also illumined by tat bhasakam. Or aham brahma. Illuminator of, that's why what I say, often I say, I am not a human being with that spirit inside. I am a human being, I have spirit. This is wrong. I am the Atma, the spirit, which is having an incidental body-mind complex. இப்படிதானே சொல்லணும். அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோமே. என்ன அகங்காரம், ஈகோ, ராக, துவேஷ, காம, குரோத, ஓவர் பவர். இது போய் அது வந்து எப்போதான் நடக்க போறது? என்ன கிளாஸ்க்கு வந்தாதானே சுவாமினி பிஸி சுவாமினி, அங்கே ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு போகணும், இங்கே ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு போகணும், அந்த கல்யாணத்துக்கு போகணும், இந்த கல்யாணத்துக்கு போகணும், அந்த கோயிலுக்கு போகணும், இந்த கோயிலுக்கு போகணும், அந்த பிரதோஷத்துக்கு போகணும், இந்த பிரதோஷம், இப்படியே காலம் தள்ளிட்டே இருப்பான். ஆனால் தே ஆர் ஸ்பெண்டிங் தேர் டைம். இல்லைன்னா யாரோ வந்துட்டா வீட்டுக்கு சுவாமினி கெஸ்ட் வந்திருக்கான். இது இன்னொரு பெரிய புதுசாக என்னன்னா, பொண்ணு கூப்பிட்டா சுவாமினி 6 மாதம் போயிட்டு வரணும், பையனை கூப்பிட்டா 6 மாதம் போயிட்டு வரணும். இது ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ ஆல் ரிசப்ஷன்ஸு, கல்யாணம், மேரேஜ், இங்கே ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வேறு, இது வேறு. புதுசாக என்னென்னா அங்கே போயிட்டு வரணும், வீசா இருக்கே, he has to go to abroad. 6 மாதம் காலின்னு லெசன். எப்போதான் படிச்சு எப்போதான் மோட்சம் வரப்போறது நமக்கு? என்ன பண்றது சுவாமினி? ஃபேமிலி. So what? All our rishis are also, they lived in the family only, no? அசல் விஷயம் என்ன? ஸ்ரத்த இல்லை, ஸ்ரத்தா பக்தி கிடையாது. இருக்கு சுவாமினா, இது பத்தாது. This is not sufficient. This Shraddha Bhakti is not sufficient. Tremendous Shraddha இருக்கணும். Otherwise we postpone. Old age comes, 70, 75, 85. அப்போ என்ன? கண்ணு பார்க்க முடியாது, காது கேட்க முடியாது, you cannot listen, you cannot see. ஆல்ரெடி எங்க இருக்கும் போதே புரியறது இல்லை. We are not able to grasp. Old age வந்து சொல்லணுமா? Memory will go away, you cannot come to class, you cannot walk, you cannot climb the bus, you cannot climb even car also. That is the condition. அப்போ வந்து மாடி ஏறி உட்கார்ந்து கிளாஸு, டீச்சர் கண்ட சோஷதான். ஆமா. So when you are young only you have to grasp. People do not know the importance. Vedanta after retirement, old age, when you are fit for nothing. When you are fit for nothing, you have to come to Vedanta. How can you understand? At least 20 years, 17, 20 you have to start. At least 30. Okay, don't disappoint. Okay, those are coming late. Don't disappoint. Just I am telling, how people mistake like that, What a knowledge, how tough it is to study in that. என்னோட கவலை இது, என்ன பண்றது? As a teacher, I feel, how difficult we know, how difficult to grasp that truth. Now, that grasping you require a subtle mind. When sense organs are very, very intact, healthy, only you can receive this. Otherwise, it's very difficult. You cannot receive exactly what is there. Otherwise, அந்த வாதிஸ் பார்த்தோடைய சார்வாக்கா, புத்திஸ்ட், பிராபாகர மதம், என்ன கன்ஃபியூஷனோ கன்ஃபியூஷன். வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட். பூர்வஜன்ம புண்ணிய, ஈஸ்வர கிருபா, ஆத்ம கிருபா, all are important. Shastra Kripa is required. Therefore, how can I miss the class? First of all. Therefore, first priority is class alone. Therefore, I see when one student is traveling 1.5 hour, going 1.5 hour, 3 hours spending means how difficult. We have to கஷ்டப்படணும், அவ்வளோதான். கஷ்டப்பட்டாதான் இது வரும். வித்யார்த்தி சேத் சுகம் தேஜேத், சுகார்த்தி சேத் ವಿದ್ಯಾಂತ್ಯಜೇತ್. ಸುಖಮು ವಿದ್ಯಾ రెండు వరాదప్ప. People want sukham, therefore no vidya. No vidya, MBA, MCA, no, it is not a vidya. I am talking Atma Vidya. It won't come. Okay, idella aside topic. Forget about it. Forget and don't forget. Important only. Okay. Nityaha. Atma is eternal. Nityam. Shuddha. Ajo nitya shashvatoyam puranaha nahanyate hanyamane sharire. Appa, varade ellarkume. Very good. Nityaha. Shuddhaha. Very pure. Pure. Atma shuddhi, Atma shuddhi nu pannuva. Atma shuddhi கிடையாது, ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. Atma shuddhi, they are talking mind shuddhi. Mental purification you can talk. How can you talk purifying in Atma? It is ever pure. Nitya shuddhaha. Buddhaha. Jnana swarupam. Atma is jnana swarupam. Buddha swarupam means what? Not that Buddha. Okay. Not that Buddha we are talking. Buddha Swarupa means Jnana Swarupam. Buddha Dhatu. Buddha means to know. Know means knowledge. Knowledge Swarupam. Muktaha. Ever free Atma. Atma never has got any bound. It has not a binding nature. Muktaha. Satyaha. Satya means Trikala Avadhyam. Ever existent. That's why Tyagaraja sang Satta Matrama Chala Nammitini. And the part எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். சரஸ்வதி மனோஹரில Satta Matrama Chala Nammitini Sarvabhauma Shri Tyagarajanuta. Satta Matrama. Hey Rama, you are not was Kausalya Putra, Dasharatha Putra, you are Satta. That's Satyam. Satyamanna Satta one da. You are existent principle, existent consciousness principle you are. That's Satyam. Satya Swabhavam. Swabhavam means nature. Original nature. Swabhavam means what? Original nature. Pratyak Chaitanyam. The interior, innermost Atma. Chaitanyam. Chaitanya means consciousness, sentient principle. Chaitanyam eva, that eva is important. That alone is Atma, nothing else. Eva. The Satya Nitya Satya Buddha Mukta Swarupaha Atma Pratyak Chaitanyam eva Atma. Whatever they are talking, other systems of philosophy, they are talking about Anatma only. That alone is called Atma Vastu. Vasati iti Vastu. That which is there, Vasati, abiding, remaining, totally. Atma another name is called Vastu. Atma another name is called Vastu. Pujya Swamiji always use that word, Vastu. Vastu Jnanam is Atma Jnanam. எனக்கு என்னப்பா வஸ்து ஞானமே இல்லையே என்ன, என்னென்னமோ ஞானம் இருக்கு, வஸ்து ஞானம் இல்லைன்னா. Because that alone is Vasati, always exists. Vasati exists. Who? Atma alla. Aham, Atma, ever existent principle available in this matter body which is made up of 5 elements. மரத்தை மறைத்தது மாமதையானை, மரத்தில் மறைந்தது மாமதையானை, பரத்தை மறைத்தது பார்முதல் பூதம், பரத்தில் பறைந்தது பார்முதல் பூதம். Just as that elephant made up of wood, once you see the elephant which is made up of wood, you forget the wood. மரத்தை மறைத்தது மாமதையானை. That elephant covers the wood. What is there really? மரத்தில் மறைந்தது மாமதையானை. In that wood, nothing is there. Elephant is not there, really speaking. What is there? Wood alone is there. மரத்தில் மறைந்தது. அதே மாதிரி பரத்தை மறைத்தது பார்முதல் பூதம். இந்த பரத்தை, அந்த ஆத்மா ஸ்வரூபம் is covered by these 5 elements. This body is made up of 5 elements, covers as though. They cannot cover, as though covered. பார்முதல் பூதம் பரத்தில் மறைத்தது. மறைத்தது பார்முதல் பூதம். So these are all Atma as though covered. என்ன கவர்டுன்னு அஜ்ஞானம் அர்த்தம். ஓகே. ஏவம் அத்தியாரோபஹ. Okay, one more word I have left it. Vedanta vidvat anubhavaha. This is the whole thing what I am talking. Sadananda says it's not my anubhava. Vedanta vid, the one who knows that Vedanta means the Upanishadic knowledge. What is Vedanta? Upanishad. Ishakena khata prashna mundamandukya tittirihi aitareyam cha chandogam brhadaranyakam tadha. All Upanishads comes under Vedanta. Vedanta vidvat, the knowers of the Upanishadic knowledge. Upanishad talks about Brahman, Brahma Jnanam, their anubhava, their experience. That not experience means you don't take it literally. It is not an experience, it is a Jnanam. I experience 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. You experience or you know it? I want to experience Atma. I want to experience Atma. Therefore what? I go to Samadhi. Tell me 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Answer. This answer, that Jnanama or experience? Swami, I got experience of 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. It is not Anubhavam. It is not an experience. It is a Jnanam. Therefore, Atma Anubhavam garde kadivee kadiyadu. So, ikkada Anubhava means, in the Anubhava means it is not an experience. Understand? Vidvad Anubhavana, it misleading word. It is misleading word. That's why people translate experience. In a very vali kadiyadu. Anubhavana experience, dictionary meaning. Adhikada parampara guru is required. So, Anubhavam, Vidvattika Anubhavam, namak enna anna? Enak Anubhavam varano anna. Swamini, எனக்கு எப்போ வரும் அனுபவம்? வீட்டுக்கு போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் வருமா? ஒரு குட்டு கொடுப்பான் குரு. அனுபவம்னா ஞானம். There is no anubhava. Atma anubhava, if I get, it is not Atma, it is Anatma. Any anubhava is subject to arrival and departure. Atma Jnanam is not subject to arrive and depart. It is not an event to take place in course of time. Atraiva Brahma Samashnute. Here, now itself I am consciousness principle. You have to own up. You have to own up. Enna Swami Thokam varudhenna. Sleep varudhenna. Therefore, never believe anybody says Atma Anubhava Anubhavana. It is a wrong statement. It's not an Anubhava, it is a knowledge. It's a knowledge. So, Evam Adhyaropaha. Whole thing is superimposition. There is nothing other than Brahman. I am Sat Chit Ananda Swarupam. Original consciousness. Available in this body-mind complex. Wonderful. What is wrong in this? Eppo, you never verify I am, naan irukena illaya. Am I there or not? You verify? Never verify. Now, next, desuperimposition topic is going to come. Desuperimposition means going back to the whole Adhyaropa, we are going to wind up. Whatever we have presented, that Upanishad has presented, Srishti, Adhyaropa, superimposition, now everything is going to resolve. Everything is going to be resolved into Brahman. From Brahman everything came, superimposition. Everything is nothing but Brahma. Adhyaropa, desuperimposition means every superimposition has to be resolved into Brahman. How? Let us read the topic. 137. Apavado nama Rajju vivartasya Sarpasya Rajju matrattvavat Vastu vivartasya Avastunaha ajnanadehe Prapanchasya Vastu matratvam. Very, very important topic. Okay. Apavado nama. Apavada means negation. Superimposition means adhyaropam. Apavada means negation. Whatever I have superimposed, now I negate. What do you mean by apavada nama? What do you mean by apavada? Rajju vivartasya sarpasya Rajju matratva vastu vivartasya. Words ella gadabida irukilla. See, Rajju means rope. Rajju vivarta means that rope appears as sarpa. Rope appears as sarpam, snake, when in manda andhakara, in semi-darkness. Really that rope has converted into snake? Is there real change? Real transformation? No. It is only apparent transformation, an aberration. It is called an aberration or apparent perception. It is not real, experientially real, but not factually real. Experientially real, but not factually real. That which is experientially real, factually not real, but experience is there, that is called vivartam. Vivarta means what? Without undergoing real change, but it appears. That is called vivarta anartham. Sarpa Rajju vivartasya sarpasya Rajju matratvat. Only Rajju is there. Only rope is there. Nothing is there. Really snake is there? Not there. Therefore, tadvat vastu vivartasya avastunaha. Next class, again I will explain. This is little subtle subject. Okay, vastu, avastu. We have to how superimposition take place. What type of change, vikara, modification, all are very important. Negation is very important. Okay. That we'll see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.